Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how can you make oats chila at home. It's very easy, it's very healthy, and it's very delicious. So right now we are just adding all the veggies in our batter, and our batter has 1 cup of oats and 2 to 3 spoons of besan. And now we are adding all the veggies such as capsicum, such as tomato, green chilies, and you can add the veggies as per your choice. And after adding all the veggies, we are just mixing all the veggies with our batter so that all the veggies are nicely coated. And now we are adding salt to taste, and here we are adding other spices such as dhania powder, turmeric powder. You can also add kali mirch powder, and you can also add chaat masala. So here we are also adding chaat masala. If you don't like chaat masala, then maybe you can skip the chaat masala part. And then again, after adding all the spices, we are going to mix the spices with our batter. And now we have taken this non-stick pan, and we are just going to spread our batter. We want to give it a circular shape, but it's fine if you're not able to give that perfect circular shape to your chila. It's completely fine. So everything is done by my mom here. I'm not doing anything at all. I'm just recording this video and just giving it a sound over. That's it. Everything is done by my mom. So we can see the one side is completely cooked. We waited for around 2 to 3 minutes, and we covered the lid so that the process can become really fast. And now we can see that the one side is cooked and the color has come out really nice, which is golden brown, and this is the color exactly what we wanted. And now we are cooking the other side as well. Then again we are going to wait for next 3 to 4 minutes, and we can also cover the lid at this time so that again the process can become fast. And we are going to check if our chila is fine, and then again we are cooking it. And now our chila is almost ready, and we are going to transfer chila to our plate and then into our tummy. So this is almost ready, and here we go. We have added our chila with tomato ketchup. You can also make mint chutney. That would be delicious, but we didn't have mint chutney at that point in time, so we just used ketchup. And again I'm going to show it how can you make another chila, and just adding the batter into the non-stick pan, and again trying to give it a circular shape. This time I wanted to have this chila more crispier, so maybe we'll take some more time in cooking and just spreading the batter. So make sure that when you are flipping your chila to another side, your one side is at least 60 to 70% cooked, and then only you will be able to take out that chila from your pan and will be able to flip it. Otherwise your chila will get stick to your pan and it won't be able to come out, and that would be a worse situation. So again we are adding some oil or ghee to one side, and again flipping it over so that that other side can also get cooked. And now after like 2-3 minutes, again we are going to take this chila into a plate. So the process is really simple, the dish is really simple, and it's delicious, it's yummy, and it's definitely healthy. So it is one of the best breakfast options you can have. Enjoy the chila and please share the recipes with me.